Are you having problems with your payment failed on Shein and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Shein app, and instead you're going to open up your settings app on your phone. So go into your phone and then go into your settings app, because then you should be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now on this page, just scroll down and then you're going to click where it says general. So click on general, and here, as you can see, scroll down a little bit again and click on storage in here. So as you can see, I should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load, because what we're going to do afterwards, when it's completely loaded, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find the Shein app, and in there we're going to be able to fix this issue, just so you know. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down until I can find the Shein app in here. It should be somewhere in here, so just a second. Oh, here it is. So click on the Shein app. Now click on upload app, and once again click on upload app in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. So as you can see, it says loading here on my Shein app, and that means that my Shein app is currently being updated to the absolute latest version. So do this and go back into your app, and this should be able to fix that bug for you. But if it still is not fixed for some reason, what you can do is to of course update your payment method. Try using another card if you have one, or if that still is not working, you can always contact their customer support and explain that problem, and hopefully then they will be able to fix that for you.